Hello everybody. We have Cotty, who is Scarface right now. She's been fighting with George, and we have a JBC item. We have a JBC screwdriver. I've already taken the clip off of that, but this is a JBC foot pedal right here. We also have what was in this box as a foot switch right here. There's a TFS1. Not much difference between the two, except for price. This one here from JBC is about $65, $70. This one here from Amazon is $6 to $9. I'll show you the difference. The Amazon one has no end. The JBC one has a standard TRS locking connector, 3.5 millimeter. Tip connects to the normally open side of the switch in here. The ring connects to the normally closed, and the ground is common. Standard 3.5 millimeter. You could pick up a pack of these Amazon for $5, a little more, a little less, depending on where you get them. AliExpress, you can get them really cheap. You can even get them with a cable. You'll notice the cable is thicker on the Amazon one. So let's show you the inside. So this is $65. This is less than $10. Let me pull the pins. Oh, difficult sometimes to pull the pins. I already pulled, there's a little clip. I'll show you right there. That little clip right there. Just take one of those off the one side. Let's do the JBC one. There you go. Okay, you'll have a spring and a micro switch. 3 wires. On the micro switch, standard switch, one set is normally closed, one set is normally open. I already gave you the wiring on the TRS connector. So on the Amazon one, pull the pin out. Yes, we're not making grenades, Cotty. But same setup. Little clip. This is missing a piece of paper. But same switch, 3 wires. These ones are soldered. These ones, I believe, are soldered and heat shrunk. Nah, yeah, they're soldered and heat shrunk. So these don't have heat shrink. But it's really, really similar. So save yourself some money. This works with a whole bunch of their devices. Their desolder tools, the MVE, MSE, the ALE automatic feeder, the JTSE, the NASE, the FAE1, the preheaters, and the TESE hot air stations. So I'll put a link to it, to the JBC one, in the description. I'll put the link to this one here, to the Amazon. I'm not affiliated or anything. Yeah, don't pay these super high amounts for the JBC, because these generic ones you can build are just fine. The springs on the JBC are a little heavier duty. You could probably go to a hardware store and get a heavier duty spring if you wanted a little bit more pressure. But I found, I've got a bunch of these. I've got another one right here. they work just fine. I've been using them for other things, and I haven't had no issues. So I hope that works for you. Let's give Cotty her cookies, because I want you guys to give me likes so she gets more cookies. Oh, Cotty, she's been in a fight with George, so we'll catch y'all later.